Hey there, Vanagon addicts, I'm back. So I've been kind of fighting with this a little bit, but I figured it out how to pull these pins out without it being the worst thing ever. I mean, you can see I've actually did it on a couple here, and what's going on is right here on the top of each pin, okay, there is a little clip right here, okay, and it's when the new ones, when they go in, it's actually kind of bent a little bit so that when it goes in it locks. So what you want to do is unlock it. So what I've been doing is you put a pair of grips onto the wire, give it a little distance so you got some distance there. You're not actually going to be pulling either one of these wires out, but you can see what happened. I was messing with this one here for the oxygen sensor and pretty much broke it because I was pulling and pulling and pulling and trying stuff, so I had to move on to other ones. So hopefully you will learn from my mistake and do it the right way the first time. So what I did, I used a big needle, okay, and you can kind of see these pins. There's a spot up here in the top for the needle to go into. That's where you wanted to go into, this little notch that's sticking up. Okay, so you want the needle to go in there. You try to push the needle in from this side as much as you can and try to see if you can get it past it. But what the problem is this white piece on the back. Okay, that's kind of like locking it, but you can actually move this white piece up and down a little bit, and as you put this needle in and you're moving the white piece up and down and you're giving like a little gentle tug with your pliers, it will release. Okay, so I just did it took me a couple minutes to do it with this one. This one, it took me 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm pretty confident in this method. I mean, if you had, instead of a needle, if you had like one of those little small screwdrivers from an eyeglass kit, that would probably be better because it would have a handle and you could kind of, but you want to like kind of give it a downward motion or upward motion like this, so you're actually prying down, because what you're trying to do, like I said, is you're trying to make this, it's hard to see, this little clip here on the top, you want to smash it down, okay, so that when you go to pull it out, it just slides out. It's normally kind of up, and that's what grabs. So you're trying to make that not grab anymore, smash it down, and then wiggle this white piece up and down, okay, and it'll just pull right out of there. So I hope that helps you guys out. Of course, you actually don't want to, like I said, mess with these other two wires at all. You want to mess with this one, number 2. Get that one popped out. Install your new wire. It just slides in and snaps in place. You want the tab to be facing up, okay, according to this. So where you see the number, you want the tab to be facing up towards that. Snap it in place. You can run your wire on the outside, okay, of all of this. You don't need to run it. I guess you would probably want to run it behind this plastic thing. Once you get that installed, you can run it through the plastic thing and out here. But you don't really need to run it through the boot. I mean, you can if you want to. And then you run it on the outside of your harness all the way to your oxygen sensor location. And you can, one of the wires is a ground, you just ground it to the engine. The other one, you plug it to your oxygen sensor. So I hope that helped you guys out. Hope you're having a great day. Get more miles per gallon. Make sure you click over here to buy parts from us, and over here you can watch a new video. Alright guys, have a great weekend and see you on the next video.